Hello, trading is closed on March 27th, 2018. Thanks for all the letters I got about my serious fall. I'm going to tell people I'm on medication. I'm not myself, and no one should risk any money based on what I say today. Now, we had a few calls. We had March 23rd for a date. That worked. We had a target of 26.41.59. That printed. I was assuming we'd have a big gap down to complete wave 13, not wave 13, par 13, but the standard rule says gapping strongly and the undesired direction kills the call. That's what happened. Now it's possible that we have wave 13, par 13, because it can finish early, because we're on a buy signal. And if that's what it is, the fact that the lowest of the bars is number 1 would make it a strong buy signal, but I'm not betting any money on that yet. MEJT says this fall is false, gives us a target of 26.7091. This is a target, this is a pattern, which I believe usually closes near the day's high. That's quite a conflict. When it doesn't, it usually leads to more weakness. So we should see most likely a gap out of the day's range, or else a close little changed. I don't really know how to count this, but that doesn't stop me from trying. I think this is an impulsive wave. If this is wave black 3, you'll see a Fibonacci relationship with wave 1. So we could have a wave 4 up, and who knows, maybe we'll even get to this price, unlikely as it seems. Again, don't risk money on it. I'm just not myself. And that's today's video.